Dear students, now we will see what is the first and follow functions for this particular grammar. Okay, there are 5 productions are there, 5 non-terminals are also there, e dash and t dash, finally f. Okay, now you have to find out the first what is the first of f. First of f is id and open bracket, right? The first of f set contains id and open brackets. This is easy. When it comes to the t dash, what is the first of t dash? Star and epsilon. So whatever the terminal comes first, that will be the first of that particular non-terminal. Okay, what is the first of e dash? First of e dash is the plus and epsilon, right? Now when it comes to the t, what is the first of t? First of t is f, which is a non-terminal, so we should not take this non-terminal in the first function set. So first of t is f. Now we should look for the first of f. What is the first of f? id comma open brackets. Then the first of f will be the first of t, right? id comma open brackets. In the same way, if you look at the first of e is first of t. What is the first of t? First of f, id comma open brackets. So first of e is also called id comma open brackets. So this is the first of these non-terminals. Okay, when it comes to the follow, what is the follow of e? By default, we all know that the start symbol, e is a start symbol. By default, the follow of start symbol is $. Okay, and also we should look for whether e is presented in the right hand side or not. When you look for the e is present here, right? Follow of e is a closed bracket, right, which is a terminal. So now follow of e is $, and also the closed bracket. Okay, now when it comes to the e dash, so follow of e, we have to find out wherever the e dash is present here. When you look for the e dash, it is presented here, okay, and also here, right? So here after e dash, which is following, nothing is following. If e dash is the last symbol in the right hand side, the follow of e dash will be follow of e. Follow of e dash will be follow of e. What is follow of e? $, and open brackets, sorry, closed bracket. Okay, and also here also e dash is the last symbol here. After e dash nothing is there. Then the follow of e dash will be follow of e dash again. Follow of e dash is itself $, and in the closed bracket. Okay, now comes to the t. Now find out the wherever the non-terminal t is presenting. Here that is presents here. Okay, now follow of t is e dash. Now we need to look for the first of e dash. What is first of e dash? First of e dash is plus and epsilon. When you look for this, e implies t e dash. Okay, so follow of t is a non-terminal, so we need to look for then first of e dash. What is first of e dash? The plus and non-terminal. So here you can take the plus comma, there is an epsilon here. First of e dash is epsilon, so if I substitute epsilon here, e dash is going to vanish. So this becomes e implies t, right? Now the follow of t is follow of e. What is follow of e? $, comma closed bracket. Okay, understand? Now when it comes to the t dash, the t dash is presenting here and here. Okay, so here also the t is present here. The follow of t is e dash only. The same both are same cases. Okay, no need to calculate in the second case. When it comes to the t dash, the t dash is presenting here and here. So here if you see, after t dash nothing is following. So after t, as nothing is following after t dash, the follow of the t dash is nothing but follow of t. So plus comma dollar, follow of t is plus comma dollar comma closed bracket. Okay, anything else after this? Here if you observe here, after t dash, here also nothing is following. So the follow of t dash is nothing but follow the t dash itself. So plus dollar and closed bracket. Finally, the follow of f. So the f is existing here and here. Okay, when you look for the f, here this is the production where f is containing on the right hand side. This production I am taking. Okay, follow of f is t dash. Now you should look for the first of t dash. What is first of t dash? Star comma epsilon. We can take star here, and epsilon is also presenting here. So in place of t dash, we should replace with epsilon. Now this becomes t implies f. Then after f nothing is following. Follow of f is nothing but follow of t. What is follow of t? Plus dollar and closed bracket. Okay, now second case, f is also presenting here. After f it is again t dash. Here also t dash, already we have calculated, so no need to calculate again. So the follow of f is star and a plus dollar and closed bracket. Okay, this is how we should find out first and follow for this grammar. Thank you.